Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have my sister with me.
Hello, it's Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo.
Yes, Tapping Flamingo. Terry Jeanette is
Yeah.
in the house with, and she's wearing her crocheted shawl, and I'm wearing a little bit of crochet, and so is Asha Elvira here. And
Destin's not though.
Dustin's not, but he's hanging out. He's super cute. So we're all crocheted up here because we just wanted to let everybody know about a new change to the virtual Blythe Retreat workshops.
Yes.
Yeah, so tell us how this came about, Terry.
So after our virtual Blythe retreats, we always have we want feedback. So we have a series of questions that we send out and we encourage anybody to give us feedback. We got a lot of feedback of crochet. We want to learn to
Yep.
crochet.
Yep.
So
So we will be adding a crochet workshop, at least one crochet workshop. We'll see what else happens. There might be a couple of them, but for one for sure at this point in time when we're filming this, which is, way in the past, by the time I edit and post this and everything.
not in the past.
It's not the past, it's the future. Anyway, it's not real time.
Right.
Not in real time. So, so we are adding crochet to our workshop list. And if you don't know how to crochet, don't freak out, okay? Because Terry and I got you covered already. In preparation for this, she and I have been adding videos to both our YouTube channels. Terry, what do you've got over there on Tapping Flamingo? You've got a playlist, right?
Yes, I have a playlist, and in this playlist, I have one tutorial that I did several years ago on how to do a chain stitch. And then I have a couple of videos on how to do crocheted wire, beaded crochet wire, making a necklace. And then I have some beaded crochet wax cording
Mm-hmm.
items. And one of the things that I mention in some of these videos is whenever I am learning to do something, I go around YouTube and I check out all kinds of videos. So we encourage you to check out my video, Tammy's videos, and all, but also go check out other people because sometimes we may explain it one way and you're like, what?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go someplace else and you're like, oh, and they
Right.
explained it in a way that is best fits your way of learning.
Exactly. Yeah. Not
So
everybody
go
learns the same
around.
way. Right. No,
Yeah.
I totally agree with that, especially something like crochet because there are different ways to hold the hook. There are different ways to tension the yarn that you're holding while you're crocheting. So Terry's got a playlist. I also have a playlist. My playlist starts with a video where I just kind of talk about the supplies you need, and I'll show you some of the items that you can make with some basic crochet skills like this little dress and this hat
Mhm.
kind of thing. I will say the hat's probably a little bit more advanced, okay, but it's not super hard. None of what I'm going to be showing you on the playlist is difficult, but I'm going to start with the basics like I said, the supplies you need to get started, and then I have videos for just the stitches, like one video for chain stitch. With crochet, everything starts with the chain stitch, so you have to learn how to do that, right? But it's actually the easiest of all the stitches, honestly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I have chain stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, all the basic stitches, and then it goes into different projects and that kind of thing. And I'll continue to add to that playlist. But she and I both realized, well, we need to actually have a baseline of, for you guys, maybe if you are going to come to the retreat, but you've never ever crocheted, you can go ahead and start learning before the retreat
Mhm.
happens, which is, by the way, the third weekend of June 2025 that we're talking about. I'll put the dates in here, of course, someplace while we're talking, the specific Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But we want to give everybody kind of a heads up, okay? That
Mhm.
we do have crochet. We were listening to you. We really take the surveys seriously at the end of each of the retreats and try to accommodate everybody as much as we possibly can. And this is
Mhm.
one way we're doing that. Yep.
Yep.
All right, so we'll leave it at that. Yeah, crochet is coming to Virtual Blythe Retreat. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Do you already know how to crochet? Are you looking forward to learning how? If you don't, do you plan to join us? As usual, give us a thumbs up and have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.